Right, immobiliser, delete and solenoid issue on a VWT4. Basically got this big black box down here. You want to basically remove this. You can't undo it by the screws because it has security screws in it. You need a hammer and chisel and anything just to smash it off basically. You will need to remove all the radiator, your fluid and everything else, like some of the fuel lines, just to get better access. But basically the solenoid is inside that black box. Don't worry about the circuit board. This can just be chucked away. Basically you'll join your wires up to the solenoid to make connection. This won't affect any other part of your immobiliser on your motor. So that's the box removed, and that's the actual solenoid there. As you can see, you need a 24mm spanner to undo that. So if you're using the Halfords set, it's likely not to be in it. It's the purple, I think purple and black. It's definitely got purple on the wire anyway. Is the one that goes to the solenoid. Your other wire goes to an earthing point, perhaps on your pump, which I did in this video. As I say, this box here and that circuit board can go in the bin. You do not need it. So this is it wired up. You have to excuse me, stand a bit of bare wire there. I didn't have any heat shrink when I was doing this. You can see the wire with the purple is going to the solenoid and the earth is going to the fuel pump. As I say, I had a starting issue where the starter motor would turn over, but the engine wouldn't fire up.